In today's world, a brand's reputation can change overnight for better or worse. One misstep on social media, a misunderstood post, or a technical glitch can quickly snowball into a full-blown digital crisis. This is why crisis communication in digital and social marketing is no longer optional, it's essential. Why crisis communication matters more than ever. Crisis communication used to be a boardroom concern, long emails, press conferences, and corporate memos. But today, the battleground is across multiple platforms, including X threads, Instagram stories, and LinkedIn updates. Consumers expect real-time responses, transparent messaging, and authenticity. A delayed or tone-deaf reply can damage trust, while a thoughtful and timely message can strengthen a brand's credibility. The stakes are high, and the window to respond is narrow. The role of digital strategy in crisis mode. A strong digital transformation strategy ensures your brand is not just reacting, it's prepared. At Kartoffel, our digital transformation services are designed to help brands build agility into their communication systems. From integrating real-time monitoring tools to streamlining cross-platform messaging, we make sure you're equipped before the next crisis hits. Having a digital crisis plan in place means your team knows who speaks, and when your platforms are technically prepared to handle spikes in engagement, your brand voice stays consistent, even under pressure. Social media, the front line of modern crises. Most crises today start or spread on social media. Whether it's a customer complaint that goes viral or an influencer calling out a misstep, the reaction is often public, emotional, and fast. Your brand needs to be faster. This is where interactive and human-centered digital responses make a difference. Our interactive engineering approach ensures that your platforms are not only reactive but also proactively engaging, allowing for real-time Q&A, dynamic feedback loops, and smoother customer support experiences. A calm, informed, and empathetic tone in a comment or DM can diffuse tension and even convert critics into loyal advocates. Building resilience through smart tech. Beyond communication, the technology behind your digital presence must also be resilient. Outages, site crashes, or app bugs during high traffic periods can exacerbate an already challenging situation. That's where product engineering plays a key role. By designing robust and scalable systems, we help ensure your digital touchpoints remain strong even in the face of unexpected demand or scrutiny. Whether it's load balancing your website or streamlining backend systems for faster communication, the right tech backbone gives you confidence in your response. People first, always. Crisis communication isn't just about saving face, it's about serving your audience better. It's a chance to show that behind your brand is a team of real people who care, listen, and act responsibly. At Kartoffel, we believe in humanizing technology. Whether it's through digital transformation, product development, or interactive experiences, we help brands connect meaningfully with their audience even in tough moments. Final thoughts. The power of crisis communication in digital and social media marketing lies in its ability to build trust when it's hardest to earn. It's not just about saying the right thing, it's about being the right brand.